Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo denied allegations that President Duterte violated due process when he announced the names of retired and current police officials who he alleged are cuddlers of drug lords. Panelo explained that due process is violated when only one party is being heard, which he said is not the case in this situation, because the president has long called on people involved in illegal drugs to come out, explain themselves, and stop their illegal activities. Early this week, the president said intelligence reports have identified police generals Bernardo Diaz, Joel Pagdilao, and Eduardo Tino, as well as retired generals Marcelo Garbo and Vicente Loot as among the authorities involved in illegal drugs. Panelo also denied claims, saying the government is doing now is trial by publicity, noting that the police officials who the president named early this week are given the chance by the media to air their side.
Alam mo, yung information being fed wrong, palagay ko less than 0.00% lang yun. Presidente ito Kung ikaw ang presidente, you have access. Pinag-aralan na yan, na-validate na yan. Noon pa sinasabi niya na, kahit hindi pa siya presidente, kung you notice, marami siyang nalalaman. Kasi maraming nagtitiwala kay Mayor Duterte at that time as mayor. Kaya marami siyang nakukuha mga impormasyon. Nor due process has been violated. When you say due process, you give the respondent the chance to explain his side on whatever accusation anyone has made. Some are saying that there is a trial by publicity. Trial by publicity will come only pag inakusahan mo ang isang tao at ang media ang nilalathala lamang ay yung nag-aakusa. At hindi pinapakinggan, hindi nilalabas yung panig ng inaakusahan.
Now, he emphasized that the president will not announce something that has not been verified.
Let us not forget that this president is a lawyer, not just an ordinary lawyer. During his time, he was a top-notch prosecutor.